Okay, y'all. Joe and I decided that we're going to cook some American Thanksgiving together. So today I'm showing her how to make the baked macaroni and cheese, stuffing, sweet potato casserole, and sweet potato pie. So she has come over for once. Instead of me going to learn from her, she's coming to learn from me. So she's cutting up the cheese, and here we go. And we did have to substitute a couple of cheeses because, things are different over here.
On coupe petits morceaux comme on coupe.
Non, je râpé aussi. Oui, oui. Tous les fromages, on râpé. Oui.
Ok.
Oui.
Ça rentre?
Y'all have to excuse my camera. It was not tracking our faces like it was supposed to be. So this was a quickie, but I wanted to show you guys because, again, we have a lot of fun when we cook together. And this is going to be her first American Thanksgiving. So excuse me for cutting off half her head. I'll get better at this. Let me go up.
On le fait en deux.
Oui.
On le coupe en deux.
Okay.
Ça rentre
Oui.
pas.
Okay, y'all. So Joe and I am showing you how we are going to be making our baked macaroni and cheese. So we're getting the cheese together, but I need my bowl. I need to wash my bowl to put all the cheese in. I need to wash my bowl. So I've had to substitute, in French, j'ai besoin d'utiliser différents fromages parce que tous les fromages aux États-Unis n'existaient pas ici, donc les substituts. Ah oui. So,
Mais on les fait aussi, les pâtes au fromage sans sauce. On les fait aussi, hein.
Ah,
On
okay.
appelle les pâtes blanches.
Ah, oui, okay. So she's saying the same thing.
Oui.
And then, so what I was saying so she can understand is that I have to substitute, y'all. They don't have Colby Jack. So the cheese that I'm substituting for Colby Jack is called Tom de Savoie. Tom de Savoie. And then I use Gruyere, and then they don't have a difference between, at least not that I know of, sharp cheddar and mild cheddar, so it's all cheddar. And then we got the mozzarella. So we getting ready to shred it on up and get the cheese all shredded up so that we can get started with the mac and cheese. We've got the water going behind her, and we're going to get this going. We're going to use Marguerite. As you can see right there's Marguerite. So we're going to use Marguerite a little bit to do some of the shredding. He ain't doing it the hard way by hand. We're going to do it the easy way. And let me move some of this stuff out of the way. Okay. All right. And let's see. Put on Marguerite.
Elle est Marguerite.
Marguerite. Marguerite. C'est Marguerite.
Ici,
Oui.
en France, il y avait une acteur
Oui.
rigolo qui a fait un film avec une vache. La vache.
Oui.
Qu'elle appelait Marguerite.
She said that they have an actor and there's a film, and in the film the actor is, I guess, the film with a cow, and the cow's name is Marguerite. We named this Marguerite. Let's see. Marguerite est très fort.
Elle est très... Il travaillait bien, Marguerite.
Woo! We love Marguerite. Woo! Look at that. See how much easier that is? Look at that, y'all. And that's on one. Ooh, Marguerite est très forte. Oui. Oh, j'adore Marguerite. And this is literally on one. Marguerite est très forte et c'est la première, non, c'est la première comme le premier étage, comme la première, comment on dit, what do I call this? I don't even remember what I call it in English. The first, damn, what do I call it in English? Y'all, I'm having a brain fart. I'm not recording too much today, just a little bit. I'm going to take this out now and dump it in the bowl. Okay. So we're going to dump that. I'm going to fake that. I've never had the thumb. I just looked up what would be the equivalent because I do a lot of Google searching. Oh, not bad at all. Oh, kind of tastes like Colby Jack. Tastes better, actually. Donc, c'est bon. C'est un bon flavor. C'est bien.
La prochaine fois, faut que je m'en achète un pour moi. Comme ça. Tu peux l'acheter ici? Tu peux l'acheter ici?
Oui. Parce que ça n'existait pas aux États-Unis. No. Mm-mm. Y'all can't get this over there. That's what I was telling her. So I bought it here because this doesn't exist in.
Ah, il y a bien, Marguerite?
Oui. Marguerite works good. Marguerite works real good. We love Marguerite up in here. Marguerite is the girl. Okay, so it's that. Marguerite is magnifique. Getting it together. Joe is draining the water, and then we're gonna start preparing the sweet potato casserole. And Marguerite is working, and the sweet potato casserole / pie is also working up in there. So we shall see. We've got all our cheeses here for the baked macaroni and cheese. The baked macaroni is already done, and we're going to be putting that together soon. Ooh, yes. Thanksgiving in France. So it's hard to find marshmallows here, and especially one color. So we got pink and white. Don't matter. It's going to go down the same way. And Joe is putting together the sweet potato casserole we got going on. Woo! And now we are making the sweet potato pie, and Joe is helping me out. So I bought a ready-made crust. I'm sorry, y'all. And I took it out too soon because she was telling me I need to keep it in the refrigerator. I don't have to take it out, I'm used to our stuff. So I took it out too early. So she's going to fix it up for me, and then we're going to get the sweet potato pie on the way. C'est parfait. Look at Joe making her first sweet potato pie. There we go. Nice big one. That's a big pie, y'all. So we're going to have the pie, the chocolate cake, and probably 2 pecan tarts. That's enough. And now Joe's helping to make the stuffing. Look at us. Both of us got our apron on. She's crying. The onions are making... I look a hot mess. Got my apron on too. Yes, we're listening to some old school music. And we are almost done. I'm going to make the rest of the stuff tomorrow. But what we've done, so we got the baked macaroni and cheese. We're making the stuffing. We got the sweet potato pie in the oven. Okay, everyone. We did not video that much. Joe and I fini le repas de Thanksgiving. So I said we're finished making the meal for Thanksgiving. I have a couple more things to do. But Joe helped me. Joe m'aidait avec les tartes de patates douces, sweet potato pie, avec les soufflés de patates douces, sweet potato soufflé, avec les stuffing, et aussi, les baked macaroni and cheese. Yes. So, short video for Thanksgiving for you guys to see Joe. Joe cuisinait les recettes américaines. Il est la première fois to mange Thanksgiving American. This is going to be her first time eating a Thanksgiving dinner. So, yes, thank you, Joe. Check y'all in the next video. Bye. Marsha has arrived, and look what the first thing is that she doing. There we go. She making a rosé what? Sour?
Rosé sour.
A rosé sour. Look, she done got the book. Look, she done got the equipment. She done brought with her. When I tell y'all, I'm going to have to let y'all know I need this today. I'm going to be toasty by the end of the night because, yeah, I need this today. More than y'all will ever know. But just a little quick pick of what the food's looking like. Here we go. Potato salad and collard greens, if you want to call them that. Ham, the turkey. I almost burnt the marshmallows again. Baked macaroni and cheese, cornbread, stuffing. Yes, don't nobody come at me. I like stuffing, not dressing. And then here's dessert, chocolate cake, 2 pecan pies, and a sweet potato pie. I was going to make a coconut cake, but I couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. But happy Thanksgiving. We're getting ready to start. This is how my French family is now looking after having their first, they probably can't even do a second round of American Thanksgiving. Look at Dan. Dan's like, you kidding me? No. Luigi enjoyed everything. Luigi s'est profité too. Is that how you say? Luigi s'est profité too.
This is the celebration.
Tu profiter? What? Joe helped me, so I get the thumbs up. And then Marsha here, the bartender tonight, and Marsha had to go buy some ice cream. There, see?
I had to buy ice cream, but excuse me, who was said, ooh, ice cream? Okay.
Okay, this is with our desserts because she can't eat pies or cakes without ice cream. Sweet potato pie was a hit. The chocolate cake is very decadent. And the pecan tart with them pecans that Marsha brought, I'm not using regular pecans ever again. That is good as shit.